Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane and this is Jane's Closet. On today's video, we're going to be doing another Zara haul. I know. So today, if you saw my last video, I mentioned that I have a couple more Zara packages coming and they arrived during the week. So we're doing this video. Today we're going to be unboxing these items and doing kind of first impression, and then I'm going to style it for you guys. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe. I'm pretty new to YouTube, so I'm trying to gain momentum here. Please support the channel, subscribe, like, follow, share, do all the jibbies. You know what to do. And yeah, my channel is focused on lifestyle, fashion, and life as a mom, and I'm also focused on styling, on fashion for top heavy girls. I am large busted, and it's been a struggle for me to find nice fitting clothes that fit me top and bottom well. Sometimes I tend to go over a size just to make sure they fit here, and then they don't fit here. So my goal with this channel is to help bring out pieces for top heavy women and get them to know how to style it. So we don't always have to run away from the top brands. We just have to find pieces and find a way to work for us and know how to style them. So that's what I've been doing with my life, and so I thought come out here and share it with other people. I believe it's not just me that have to struggle. So yeah, and if you're interested in that, please subscribe, and we're gonna get into the haul. See you guys in a bit. Let's get started. So first item on here is this satin slip dress. I have been looking for a good satin slip dress for a very long time, and I hope this one is it. I've gotten a couple. I always tend to return it. This one, it was very pretty. It has buttons on the side and has like a slit on here. You're going to see it in the styling video. I am really excited about this piece, and it's finger crossed for me because I really love this on the model and I want it to fit. I love how it looks. It feels really good though. Yeah, and this one was $49, and I got this in a large. This is I got the same spaghetti slip dress in 2 sizes, just so I see which one fits me better. Looking at this one right now, it's looking really big. This one is in an extra large. I got it in a large and an extra large. This one is in an extra large. So yeah, I don't know. This first impressions. I love the slit. I love this button detail. It's unique because you hardly find slip dresses that have these details, so I like that. Big boobs problem. It's really tight on my boobs, really tight. I have another size, but seeing how this part is free, it's going to be a problem with that. I'm going to try it on, but I already know how that's going to fit like. So yeah, I love this. I saw this on another YouTuber, Maibsa. If you don't know her, go follow her. I'm going to link her details below. And she killed this picture. Like, she killed it. She wore it on Instagram. I loved it. And she kind of motivated me to be like, I told her I already ordered it, and she's like, it's really good. And it's really good. I don't know about the fit on me. I like the length, and I really love the slit. So I don't know, maybe pile. Yeah, again, definitely the wrong bra, but we'll see. Next one. Okay, so this is the other side. Oh, I just noticed the button detail actually comes all the way here, so that's nice. I really love this button details and the slit. This one fits better on my boobs, but it's too loose. Well, I don't know. Am I overthinking this? Is this how slip dresses are supposed to fit? Because I like the fit of the other one better. This one is an extra large. That one is a large. I like the fit of the large better. But yeah, this one feels really loose. No, I'm not sure about this one. It feels really loose, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not. I was excited, but now I'm not so excited. It feels big, like this is surplus, see? Just lots of surplus. The next piece is this one. This dress. I've been looking for a nice fitted dress from Zara with these kind of sleeves. The only problem is they tend not to fit here. So when I saw this one with this elastic smooth detail at the back, I was like, oh, this is what I try. So I'm gonna try this one. It's short. I really love the print. It's very Mad Men era. So I love this. This one was $49, I think, and it's called the Caroline dress. See? So yeah. Okay, so this one is really short. Can you see the length? It's really, really short. So this is one of those pieces that I would wear and be doing this down. So I don't know how I feel about it. I'm wearing, I will have to try this on with a strapless bra to see how it actually fits here. But I'm already wearing this bra. I can't be bothered to change my bra right now. But this is how it has stretch to it. So yeah, you could go for your correct size. It does. I love the color. I love this here, this piece. This is really nice, but it's kind of big. So Jesus, another thread. God, it's like this just came out of a tailor store. Anyway, I love the puffy sleeve but off shoulder detail. I have to figure out the right bra for this. I'm on the fence with this one because I really like it. I would pair this with sneakers just because it's really short, and I want to take attention away from, yeah, heels would just make it really look. Well, I like this. I'm on the fence about it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. But yeah, there you go. Next one. These shorts. I got these in 2 colors. This was a weird name. I think it was called swimming pool green or something silly like that. But these shorts are really nice. They're really chic. I love the button detail on it. And yeah, I don't know how I'm going to style this one here. But the other color, I know how I'm going to style. So I got this in the pink as well. So this one. Pink, and I got this print shirt that it's like it's a face of different women, and it's really nice. I like it. These came out, I was surprised. This was like $10 in Zara. I'm like, what? I just grabbed it really quickly and I got it, and I'm seeing it right now, and it's really light material, so it's really thin, more like linen summer t-shirt. But for $10, I'm not mad at it. Zara has the other women print one, and that one goes for about $30. So this one works for me with these shirts. And here. Okay, so this is this piece combined together. You can see it. The t-shirt and the shirts. I love the details on here. It's like, it's a real pocket. Oh, I thought it was face. It's a real pocket. And yeah, I paired these two together. Oh God, I don't know what's with Zara and all those threads. Oh, okay. So the fit is nice. The fit is nice. It's a bit big for me. I don't know what. I worry about going smaller. I don't like this happening. I worry about going smaller because I don't think it will fit. So I'm kind of in between sizes with this one. I don't know, but I really like it. I think I might go in store to see if they have any store and actually try a smaller size for this one. But aside from that, it works well. I love it paired like this. I could wear it with white sneakers if I want. I could wear it with a nice size sandals I have. I got these from Nordstrom. I really love these ones. So I could pair it with this one. So yeah, next one. Okay, so I tried on this piece, and yeah, it's really big. Like I have, see how much room I have on here. Well, I like the shorts. I don't know how I feel about this color. I like the pink better, so I might send this one back. But that is how it looks like. It really does look expensive and chic. So yeah, Next one. This is another piece I'm actually excited but yet worried about. This styling was very popular in the spring because we had that green one that everybody got. I saw this on the website and I got excited. I'm like, oh my god, this is beautiful. It's a neat material with this detail. This is not organza. I'm not sure what fabric this is. I'm really excited to try this one. Well, I also worry about how this is going to fit my boobs and the rest of my body, so fingers crossed with this one. Okay, so this dress is a ray of sunshine. I love it. It fits well, really nice, snug. I love this detail. It just makes me feel like, ooh. well, aside from that, the fit is good. Yeah, I got this in a large, and I was worried it will be too tight, but no, it fits well. I like that it's not really snug on me. There's room in it, so you don't, it fit really good. I love this. This is just, ooh, that's the back. Okay, it's a nice outfit. Yeah, I could wear this. This is more of a summer than fall outfit. So yeah, first impression, love this one. Next one. What's next? What is this one? Oh, yeah. So Zara came back with TRF. You know, I think they got rid of the brand a couple of years ago when they did that whole logo change rebranding, and I noticed that they brought it back. So TRF is like the cheaper version of Zara Woman, and they come up with nice pieces, but they tend to not be as expensive as a Zara Woman piece. So yeah, interesting. Anyway, this was a TRF piece, and I have no idea why I can see white threads on it. Like, seriously, people. Yeah, this just has this really voluminous detail on the shoulder, and it's fitted at the bottom. So it will be interesting to see how this fits me. This is a daredevil piece for me. I think this one goes into the maybe pile for me. I'm not sure, but yeah, this part looked way bigger on the model. I can't with the strips. This part looked way bigger in the model. I like it, like the fit. It's, oh, it feels really soft. And but I wish this part was bigger, because that's what I wanted. I like the voluminous feel. I wanted this part to be bigger. But aside from that, yeah, for $29, it's not a bad fit. It really, yeah, looks good. Fits well. Gives me a little bit of bum. That's it. And I also got this really popular, oh, I don't like the fabric. I was on the fence about this one. It's really polyester. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Like, guys, can you see these threads? Like, see. Oh. Really? There are more. This was just really, this is subpar for Zara. I'm not happy with this one. This is a jumpsuit that has like a Scott's detail in front, so you kind of wrap it over to close. You're gonna see it in the styling video. I really like the print and the color of this one. I'm not feeling the fabric, but I'll see how it feels on my skin. Okay, this one, this is very polyester, if that's the word. I don't really understand what's happening here, but aside from that, it's really colorful. It's nice. I love this detail here. Kind of elongates my neck, and I don't know. Okay, this Zara haul wasn't so much of a kill it. The pieces are good or okay. They're just not fitting me the way I want it to fit me. But this one feels nice. Like, there's a certain body type that this would work for. I just don't understand what is happening here. It's a Scott though, so it's a jumpsuit romper. So yeah, you kind of have this here, and that's the back. Well, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I might keep it. I might not. I'm just not feeling it. So yeah, I think that's about it. Quick mini Zara haul. Whew. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, again, please subscribe. I have a couple of previous videos and I'm gonna link them on here. I have a another Zara unboxing, and I also have a couple of H&M styling video, so please go check those ones out if you're interested in gist like that. I also have a couple more Zara videos coming. I have a styling video, I have a fall styling video, I have one more unboxing, or no, I already no, is it unboxed? I can't remember. I know I have one more. I don't know if I have any more shipment coming. Anyway, so thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, like this video, share, comment. I'm pretty new on YouTube, so I'm also trying to build momentum. I appreciate your support. Thank you very much for stopping by, and see you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay safe,